How to unfreeze Experian credit card. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'll be showing you the ways to unfreeze your Experian credit. In order to do this procedure, first of all, you have to go and log in into your Experian account. For that, type in www.experian.com and that's going to take you to the login field. Once you're logged in, it's going to direct you to the home page. Now, Experian has many customer products that they want to pay for. You do not need to pay Experian anything to freeze and unfreeze your credit. All you have to do is just go ahead and skip that page, and you can just click on the button that says continue, and then you need to click through the credit lock. Now, Experian will continue to place their services more prominently than the credit freeze in an attempt to get money from you. Now, under credit menu items, find the Experian credit lock product and then click the continue button. Now find the Experian credit lock product and click it to continue. It would be nice if there was a simple freeze button, but that is not the case. Then you can just go ahead and tap that. Finally, on the page where you can remove the security freeze. Now click the frozen toggle button to remove your security freeze at Experian and unfreeze your credit file as well. Then a permanent removal will last forever with no expiry date. Then you can just go ahead and choose a date after that as well. And you just unfroze your credit card at Experian. Shortly after the toggle animation and changes to unfrozen, you will see a confirmation dialog box in the bottom right of your screen. And if you don't see a confirmation and are unsure that you have frozen your credit card, try refreshing the page and you will also receive a confirmation email from Experian as well. So that's how it works. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.